how to retweet post with comment on Twitter. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on the retweet icon. When you click on the retweet icon of any post, then there is two options. Then you can see the quote tweet. In the second option you have to click on the quote tweet, and then you have to uh, comment anything that you want. Let's see, I uh, type how are you, and then when you type this, then you have to click on the retweet. When you click on the retweet, then here you can see the your tweet was sent. And when you again go to your profile, then here you can see that I have retweeted this tweet, and there is my comment, and here is this tweet. So that's it, that how you can retweet the tweet with the comment. And you can see here that here is my comment in the upper in this post and in the uh, below my comment, this is the tweet. So that's basically it, that how you can retweet with comment on Twitter. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.